It's pretty painstaking, but if we've done our job well, you should not know that we've done anything at all. So you are currently in the conservation studio, and this is where we prepare objects for display and generally care for their preservation. So that's for the entire collection here at the Chester Beatty. Within our team, we're all specialised manuscript conservators. We trained in book and paper conservation. And that means really we're assessing each object, thinking about what it needs to be used for, who needs to be using it, and whether it's in good enough condition to withstand use. They can be thousands of years old, so we're incredibly lucky that the collection is super diverse. It contains objects from Babylonian clay tablets right through to 19th century artists' books, so you can find everything in between. So by the time something is in the lab and we've undertaken kind of condition assessments, we'll then be carrying out treatments as necessary to stabilise the condition of the object. The folios that I'm looking at the moment are from a Timurid manuscript. It was made in 1427, and it is individual folios of an illuminated manuscript. They are in pretty good condition, but the pigment has started to show some signs of weakening, flaking and cracking. So what I'm doing is I'm assessing those under the microscope before undertaking preparations to consolidate the pigment. We use specially selected and assessed adhesives, which we use incredibly narrow brushes to insert underneath the flakes of lifting pigment under the microscope. It's pretty painstaking, but if we've done our job well, you should not know that we've done anything at all.
I'm very fortunate to have a collection of about 400 prints from Japan between sort of 17th and 19th centuries. So we've got a wide range of quality, but they're all beautiful. In terms of housing, we have to make sure that they're acid-free, dry, and make sure that they're stored in a secure place.
For the Thai exhibition, which is on at the moment, there are around 20 objects on display, and we began preparing them about 2 years before the exhibition went on to display to ensure that everything was stabilised and would be in great condition for the exhibition. And the novelty never goes away. They are incredible objects, and every day it is just amazing to have such incredible access to them.